Welcome back, content creators. Making 8 or 10-second clips is a blast, but eventually you are going to want to tell a longer story. When you reach that point, there are plenty of tools out there, but I find myself constantly coming back to Google's Veo 3.1. It is accurate, it is simple, and it just works. Let me walk you through my personal process for building out a long-form video. First, you need a starting point. I begin by generating a seed clip using a descriptive prompt in the text-to-video tool. You can also use image-to-video if you have a specific visual in mind. Once you have a result that looks right, hover over that clip and select the option to add a scene. This action moves your asset into the scene builder, which is really where the magic happens in this workflow. Now look at your timeline, which currently shows one clip. Move the playhead to the very end of your clip, then click the plus icon to select Extend. A new empty clip appears at the end of the timeline. Next is the most important part of the whole process, the continuation prompt. You need to give the AI specific instructions for what will happen in the next 8 seconds. For example, I started a project with a character standing on a mountain ledge, just staring down at a massive bank of clouds. For my first extension, I prompted for an eagle to fly by. Watch what happens. For the next one, I decided to let the man actually fly above those clouds. I have always dreamed of doing that, so I figured, why not let AI make it happen? For the fourth and final extension, I had him do some acrobatics in the air and then suddenly wake up in his own bed. It turns out it was all a dream. That is the true beauty of this system. Each new segment is tethered to the one that came before it. That means your character's clothes, the lighting, and the entire environment stay consistent instead of shifting abruptly between cuts. That is how you turn a few quick snapshots into a professional, cohesive production. Let's watch the complete video now. To give the piece that extra layer of professional polish, I took one more step. I brought in another tool to layer my own custom soundtrack right on top of the organic sound effects Veo had already generated. It really creates a much richer, more immersive experience for the viewer. If you are ready to take these skills even further and truly master the craft, I want to see you over at my Udemy course, Master Generative AI, the Complete Toolkit. We dive much deeper into these workflows there, and I cannot wait to help you build your next big project.